Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Discord account. Follow these steps to enable 2FA on your Discord account. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access user settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface next to your username. This will open the user settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to the security settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Start the 2FA setup. Click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication button. You will be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Step 5. Use an authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up 2FA using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Scan the QR code provided or enter the code manually, then enter the verification code generated by the app to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Discord account, enhancing your security. Make sure to keep your backup codes safe in case you need to recover your account in the future.